We started by building RocketSpace for startups, and that was our primary focus. What we've seen just grow in interest enormously over the last 5 years is corporates.
It is a consortium of corporates that have the opportunity to get together a couple times a year to tackle really big questions and issues that are happening within their individual corporations. There's just a lot of rapid change that's happening, and being on top of that through the insights we gather is really critically important.
Any corporate that doesn't have some sort of startup program or startup interaction program is going to fall by the wayside.
How do they know the Ubers of the world before they become the Ubers of the world? How do they meet really the most disruptive startups in the world?
RocketSpace is definitely more than a co-working space. Everybody is really focused on technology. Everybody's focused on moving quickly, on really disrupting the industries that they work in.
One by one, industries are getting challenged. I meet with 8, sometimes 15 entrepreneurs in a day. And so I hear what they're thinking. I have a pretty good sense of what might be happening in 5 to 10 years.
RocketSpace really understands startups and sees them as indicators in the innovation landscape. At the same time, because it's also a corporate campus, they understand professionals who are trying to bring in new innovation into their company, identify new technologies, develop proof of concepts, change culture. It's a big task. So sitting at the cusp of startups and corporations is what makes RocketSpace different.
One of the most valuable things for me, especially someone who has moved into San Francisco Bay Area from Hong Kong 6 months ago, it's this community of other corporate innovators from very different industries, but by partnering together, we may be creating some alliances that could be very important in the future.
Trifecta of success in the way you guys structured this. You guys knocked it out of the park. It's this great blend of seeing the startups present, lots of great interaction with the startups. I would say the key takeaway is the more democratized we become as a society, I think the more quickly we'll see innovation that matters.